In this video, I'll show you how to set up Wix Stores. First, sign into your Wix account and open the website where you want to create your online store. From your dashboard, go to Apps and add Wix Stores if it isn't already installed. Next, open Store Products from your site's dashboard and click Add New Product. Enter the product name, description, price, images, and any other details your customers need to see. After that, organize your products by creating categories or collections. You can also configure inventory, shipping options, product variants such as size or color, and tax settings if needed. Now go to Settings and configure your payment methods, shipping rules, and checkout preferences. Review your store information to make sure everything is ready for customers to place orders. Finally, preview your online store and place a test order to verify that the shopping cart, checkout process, and payment methods are working correctly. When everything looks good, publish your website and start selling online. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Wix Stores. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.